It was supposed to be a quiet afternoon in the mountains. But then, out of nowhere, a bright red sports car came flying around the bend. The driver? Overconfident. The road? A narrow cliffside with no guardrails. The result? Pure chaos. The sports car screeched, swerved, and bam! Slammed into a delivery truck stacked with crates of watermelons. The crates exploded like fireworks, watermelons rolling down the cliff like a fruit avalanche. Before anyone could react, a police car came chasing behind. Sirens blaring, the officer shouted, "Pull over!" But instead, he slipped on the watermelons and spun out of control, crashing right into an ice cream van. Suddenly, the road was covered in watermelons and melting ice cream. Just when it couldn't get any worse, a gigantic logging truck appeared, trying to brake. But the logs rolled free, tumbling down the slope like giant bowling pins. Each log slammed into a car, knocking them sideways, upside down, and into each other in a ridiculous chain reaction of crashes. People from the village came running to watch. Instead of panic, they were laughing. It looked less like a disaster and more like the world's craziest circus show. At the end, with cars piled up like a mountain of scrap, the sports car driver climbed out holding a single watermelon. He took a bite and said, "Well, at least it's fresh." The crowd roared with laughter. And just like that, what began as a dangerous chase turned into the funniest mountain crash parade anyone had ever seen.
My car!